What's the meaning of anecdotal? Anecdotal. 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 Anecdotal.
The word anecdotal refers to information or data that is based on personal stories and experiences, rather than on scientific evidence. Anecdotal evidence can be interesting and compelling, but it may not be reliable or representative of a larger population. It is often used to describe stories or accounts that are shared informally, rather than through formal research studies or surveys. While anecdotal evidence can be useful in identifying potential areas for further investigation, it should be viewed with caution and always considered alongside more rigorous scientific data.